So guys, I am at RDS nature retreat, and it is a very good resort and looks really good. Look. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today and very good morning. Today we are going to a team event and we are going to a resort which is at Bannerghatta, and the resort name is RDS Nature Retreat. So I really don't know how the resort is, but this is the first time I am going there, and we have started morning at 7:30, and there was no traffic, and yeah, there was less traffic, so we have reached within an hour. And I love being in nature, right? And to breathe clean and fresh air. So we have started from our office, and we are here at RD's nature retreat. So let's get in and see how the resort is and what all the activities we have to play, and some adventurous games, and of course great food, which is my most favorite. Creating a blog. We have reached here and we are enjoying our welcome drinks, and it is complimentary. Background song is very good, and nature is very good, and weather is ultimate, and I'm going to enjoy it for sure. So let's have our complimentary drink, which is I have taken mint lime, I think. Yeah. After that, I'm going to explore a resort. So let's get in. Yeah, I got a bag.
Say hi, Praveen.
You know, I love playing games. I love doing some activities and all. So I started doing the rope walk actually. There is a small artificial river, and which actually looks very natural. So I started crossing that river through the rope. So we have tire walk here, and pole walk, cylinder walk, and quake walk. I am the first person who has started it, and people are just following me. So let's enjoy it, guys. Come on. My team members were getting scared, so I took a lead and I started, and they also started now, because we went there to have some fun, right? And to play some adventurous games. So we should not miss it, correct? Yeah. There are people who are playing some indoor games like chess, carom, and table tennis. It is actually a amazing experience, right? And it is actually not a tough, man. It is quite easy, and I'm doing it. So now I'm going to take a tire walk, which is the next step, and I am loving it. And wherever I go,
something is
I
there here.
need some time for myself. So that too, with the nature, I really need some time for myself. So I have taken a seat here. So I'm just doing deep breathing, and taking my pics also. So it actually gives me some boost to take a deep breath and smile and all. So it is good for me. So here are some two girls, and they are doing water absorbing, and they are really having some good fun here. There are so many games for girls and for kids. So I was actually quite not interested. So I am doing a pole walk, and it is actually amazing, and I think quite easy actually.
So I tried it and it is too good. If you want, you can also try it. It's damn easy, and I have tried so many things here, and it is too good. So I've tried that one and this one, and it really looks very good, right? Come. So there, my teammate is coming. He's on the way. Come on, Akash. So here I have my teammate Akash, and he is struggling to come now. Yeah, which is very tough and which is very easy. Uh, we don't have to do anything, just sit and Ziplining, correct. So we are trying this now. After playing games, we are going to have lunch. So guys, we are going to have lunch now. So this is the cafeteria where we are going to have lunch. Cheers.
So I'm having lunch, and it is much required to play some other games. So I started taking my starters, and there are so many varieties for veg and non-veg starters and main course, and of course the main important thing is the desserts, which I love it. So that's why I've taken so much of desserts. So guys, I am done with my lunch. Now we are going to have a part 2, which is post lunch activities. For that, you need to wait for my part 2 video, which is more fun. See you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.